Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the feature that allows you to pin an app to your screen. So do a swipe up and you want to go to your settings, tap on that. Scroll down to where you have security and privacy, click on that. Scroll all the way down to where you have more security settings, tap on that. Now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will have pin apps. So you want to toggle it on and then tap on it to see what it's all about. Now here you can see the option that says pin app is now enabled. And once you enable this feature, you'll be able to pin an app, and this will prevent others from accessing features outside of this pin application. And keep in mind that once this app is pinned, features such as call and messages will be blocked. So you want to be careful when you're pinning apps to your screen. And of course, below you have the steps that guide you how to pin an application to your phone. You can also toggle on as well if you want to ask before an unpinning app. If this is something that you're looking for, this is how you can easily go ahead and enable the pin app feature on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.